Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and just wanted to do a quick update on when it comes to cleaning your locomotives and keeping your wheels and so forth clean. You can look inside the trucks here and you're going to see the metal piece behind the side frame there where it picks up the track power from the wheels. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out to you is because this is a Athearn GP15 that I've been working on and running for quite a few years, but I'm upgrading it to Tsunami 2. And in the process, I took the wheel sets out to make sure that I can clean them up. Now, here you can see the new clean wheel sets that I've actually painted the wheel face, but the edge of the axle I have not done any painting to. Now, after doing this and getting ready to assemble it, I decided to go ahead and clean out the inside of the axle points. And when I'm doing this, I use this Aerocar lubricant track and rail cleaner, ACT 6006, that you can get online. But I use a small micro brush, similar to what you're going to get in most hobby stores. And I just dip it in there a little bit. And then what I was doing is sticking it into those openings and just cleaning it out. And the reason I'm pointing this out is because this is the one that I just finished doing. Now you can see here, if I can get the camera to focus on it. Let's see, there we go. You can see how dirty that point to that tip is. Now this was a brand new brush that I just pulled out, and this is after sticking it in the cleaner and cleaning out all 8 axle points. So you can see how dirty the insides of these wheels get. So when it comes to maintaining your proper track cleaning, it's not just the wheel treads that's important, guys. It's also the insides of the model. Now the wire is actually soldered to this brass piece that's inside the trucks. So these are the last 2 moving contact points that will transfer electricity from the wheels to the rails. So when you're cleaning your locomotives up, be sure to maintain the wheels and the axle contacts inside the locomotive to make sure that you're getting good, reliable contact to your decoder. Well, that's it for today. Thanks, guys.